doing? How is it? Nice, bro. For real? Yeah. I know. Good morning. Kind of chilly outside. The winter's setting in. I just want to say, how's it, everybody? I'm TK. Sticks on Tings. How you doing today? I'm a Hawaii boy out here in Vegas. Down for the hustle, down for the grind, and I'm always trying to grind. So I got a call this morning from Combatant Co. They need little catering things for about 10 people. They have a photo shoot coming up on Saturday. Kind of stoked. Yeah, you. Good morning, bro. Let's get it rocking. All right, so we're looking for the best deals in town for this little catering event. And the best deals in town, literally, when you don't have the restaurant like depot card, is the Mexican markets, Asian markets, and Winco here in Las Vegas. So we're gonna go pull up on La Bonita, the Mexican market, and see what kind of ingredients we can find for this photo shoot we got on Saturday. La Bonita! So we're here about to check out the butcher area, of course. Meats with sticks on tings. Alright, so let's get looking, bro. See what they got. They got a whole selection here. Not just the case. They got all the stuff in the styrofoams ready to go. And of course, all their prepackaged marinated meats like pastor. Yes. After all those meats, this is all I have in my basket. Bye. So for the event, I did find short ribs, which I'm going to do kind of a cow beef marinade in. Kind of excited. Marblin's looking dope. I had originally went in for chicken thighs, boneless, skinless, but this is the score. Ingredients are ingredients. I also got beef jerky meat, some gummies for the nephew, some tamales I haven't tried, puff pastry to make my own empanadas, and drum roll, the oh so delicious al pastor. Yay. If you haven't had this, you need a sample, and a video coming on La Bonita, the Mexican market, very soon. Definitely sample some al pastor though. Chill! Man, so my boy Hector always hates because I have gloves on in the videos. And here you go, Hector. This is for you. Hi. Ha! Alright, so we got these short ribs. Look how killer. Man, they full. Marbling, bro. Loaded. Okay, it's pretty straightforward with the short ribs. You just cut them up into little bite-sized pieces so people can sample as they please. They don't have to grab a whole bunch if they don't want to. I also stack a couple on top of each other to chop them up easier and faster. Anything for a quicker prep time? Sign me up. Pre-chop it. Okay, so while I bag this up, let me tell you guys, I did hit 2 other stores for some more ingredients. I hit Winco and Walmart. Winco, if you've never been to Winco, that is the plug. Honestly, nothing super special, but great prices for bulk items, most definitely. Okay, so at this event, there is going to be a photographer there named Ripper. He is a vegetarian. Not too worried about it, so we're going to get some things rocking for him too. We shall see. Sauce. Good old Calbi ribs. I got a couple bags because I didn't have any turkey bags, but yeah. But we have green cabbage. Came out nice. Purple cabbage. Zucchini. On the grater, carrots. And here goes the slaw. Good, yes. Look, 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 look. Yo. Alright, so we're gonna look at my fridge, see what we got for Combatant Co. My fridge is kind of messy. Please do not judge me. Some Kalbi ribs, bro. Couple bags. I wanted to marinate them separate in case, you know, whatever. You can't be too sure. So I got a few bags of that. And I have jerk tofu from my boy Rip. Yes, sir! Also got some teriyaki tofu from my boy Rip. You know what I'm saying? Bro, everybody's got to sample this. Also got some coleslaw. Sorry, the light's kind of blinding it, but I do have some coleslaw mix. There is some julienne zucchini. There is green cabbage, mostly purple cabbage, and a lot of love. Also, I have a bag of vegetables here, which is for skewers. Yes, sir. Oh, I have the sauce that I made homemade. Ooh, yes, for the coleslaw. What you know about that? Oh! And last but not least, I got some vegetable lumpias. Yes, sir. With some sauce that I made. There you go. Cheese dog. Good morning, everyone. Let's get it rocking. Driving on this long desert road on the way to Overton for Combatant Co's photo shoot. Yes, you. So I make it out to the location, and for a photo shoot, this place is super sick. Wind factor for me is a nightmare, but like I said, these guys got it going on. Look that hoodie, mean, bro. Then the nightmare I ran into, I can't find my grill. I'm in a move. I had the Coleman, but ha! Here we go. Given the dilemma that we're an hour away from town and I don't have a grill and it's super windy, things are actually going pretty smooth. And ooh, it's starting to smell good.
Oh, you got the crunchy wonton strips?
Yes, sir.
Dude, you got the wonton strips.
Oh, that's really good. Yeah, the tofu was bomb. I don't eat tofu.
Cool, I'm glad you guys are enjoying.
Yeah, we got food on the vlog this time.
Yeah. Getting it. Steaks on things.
Got an Instagram on a shirt. I didn't even realize. Steak and things. Instagram and YouTube. Look at this shit. I don't even eat meat, but I want to. Look at that. But I'm eating the tofu and the veggies for sure. This is so good, dude. I'm not even kidding. This is the best tofu I've ever had.
I'm glad.
I'm not even kidding.
Hell yeah. Cool. Hell yeah.
Sometimes I get like banh mi sandwiches and the tofu just isn't. It just tastes like nothing.
It's like an afterthought.
Yeah, like this is so good.
Nice.
Dude,
Hell yeah.
I haven't tried it.
it's so good. You want to try this one on the vlog? You want to bite it right off my hand? Oh my god.
All right, we can see home, sweet home, Las Vegas. Headed back from Combatant Co's shoot. Yeah. All right, and that's about it for Combatant Co's shoot. We had a great day. Everything went smooth. It was super comforting to hear that my food was amazing. Why, thank you. Vegetarian food came out fire. Fire! Yes, it went smooth. Smooth like butter. Man, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do like, comment, subscribe. You need to follow, subscribe, and like me. We'll also love to give a shout out and thank you to Combatant Co for having me, Jersey Nicole, Giants in the Ocean, That White Boy Blake, Ripper Vision, Jasmine Michelle, everybody that was out there today. Peace, love, and happiness. Yeah. All right, thank you for tuning in. Much love to everybody in the world. Peace, love, and aloha, everyone. Yee!